If you feel you talk too slow or you're counting your words like me, most times I like counting my words so people can hear me clearly, but sometimes it looks like it is boring. Okay, so in this video, we're going to work on our speed. So I had gone to my YouTube studio to test this speed using my settings in my own studio. Okay, but that cannot affect my whole video because that setting is I think for me to hear myself. But I was like, okay, let me come and work on it properly here. So we're just going to do the testing here and there. So this is the normal way I am talking, okay? But I'm going to change the speed right now. So watch what I'm going to do. I'm on Capcut most times, I teach everything I do here on Capcut. So now this is our video. I've exported it here. Sorry, I'm always saying export. I've imported it. Is when I finish that I will export. So pardon me. I've imported the video here and I want to work on the speed of how I'm speaking right now. Okay, so I will come to speed. Right now, this is the normal speed. It is 1.0x. Okay, but I want to increase the speed a bit and I'm going to see how this is going to sound. So I've increased the speed now. This is 1.2. Okay, 1.2. Yeah, I think this should be fine actually. Okay, so let's see. Let me play what I have here on before. Before I play it, let me go back to the normal speed. Let's listen. Sorry, I had reduced the volume. Okay, so let's go. Of your video. Like, I mean the speech, okay? So I made a video where I felt like, I think I'm dragging, the way I'm explaining is too slow, okay? And I'm like, I want it to be speedy a bit. So I've uploaded this video into my YouTube channel, but it's still on private, okay? You can see. So that is the normal way I am talking. Now, let me increase the speed of this speech. It's still me. I'll continue talking in the video that I've imported here, but let's see how it's going to be right now. I'm increasing the speed to, I did 1.2 before. Let me still leave it in the 1.2. All right, go. Let's play. Capcut desktop download takes too long. Do this now, okay? That's the video. And let me play it so you. So I don't want us to play that. But did you hear the difference between the first time when it was 1.0 and now that it is 1.2? Let's make it faster. But I am just going to. Let me play what is there before we go ahead, okay? But it's my own voice I want you to hear. Yeah. The complaint is that the Capcut edit. So I think I've already touched the. Yeah. So this is the normal thing. If you want to use the desktop, it does not download on time. Some people say 24 hours, some say 30 hours, and depending on the length of the video. So this video is going to address that issue. So let me pause it there. So okay. So now let me take it back, listen to my voice, then I will increase it more than this, depending on the length of the video. So this video is going to address that. So you can see I'm still counting my words, okay? So now let's move further. Let's play a game. Let's put it on 2. This is going to run fast. Listen. The delay in downloading from Capcut after you have edited your videos. Experience delay in downloading from your Capcut. You can see this is too fast. This is too fast. Let's go back to. If I want it to wrap more, I'll just increase it. I'm just going to run. And can you see what's going on here? So it's just reducing the size of my video. Can you see? Let me bring it back to normal. You can see this is the normal length of the video that I imported here. Now take it to 1.4. It has reduced it. If you take it to, I think it's just going to make it vanish. Can you see this? So, but this, I don't think you even hear anything. So let's not bother. Okay. Let's try this 5. Oh my God. I'm just imagining how it's going to sound. Okay, play. Oh my goodness. Did you hear that? That's what happens. Okay, so let's go to 2. Even the 2 is too, no. That's not acceptable. We want something that everybody can actually learn from. Okay, so I think 1.4 is still too high. So 1.2 should be perfect, really. I think 1.2 should be.
Increase the speed of your video. Like, I mean the speed.
Was changing my voice. Okay, so 1.2 is actually where I'm going to leave it. Okay, 1.2 is where I will leave it, but let's see.
Okay, so I made a video where I felt like I think I'm dragging, the way I'm explaining is too slow. Okay, and I'm like, I want it to be speedy a bit. So I've uploaded this video into my YouTube channel, but it's still on private. Okay, you can see this is my own studio. All right, and this is the video I'm talking about. Capcut desktop download takes too long. Do this now. Okay, that's the video, and let me play it so you hear the complaint is that the Capcut edit. So I think I've already touched the, yeah. So this is the normal app. If you want to use the desktop, it does not download on time. Some people say 24 hours, some say 30 hours, and depending on the length of the video. So this video is going to address that issue. So let me pause it there. So what I'm trying to say here is, I think the way I'm talking is too slow. Okay? Sometimes when I listen to YouTubers, they are just, they are talking very fast. And I'm like, normally before I started YouTube, I thought I could talk. I thought I thought I speak fast. Okay? Like I talk very fast. But when I watch my video, listen to myself, I'm like, I'm slow. Like I'm slow in talking. Okay? So I was not like, so how do I make it a bit reasonable? Okay. If it's too slow, I feel the viewers will be like, it's too boring. Yeah, boring. So I came, listen to my normal voice. You're welcome to my channel. Now we're going to download our video easily and quickly, faster than before. That is if you experience the delay in.
So I just paused it so did you see the difference between now that I'm talking to you? This is my normal voice, and I just hope that this 1.2 is not affecting what I'm saying right now. But if it does, well, that's okay. That's fine. No problem. If it does, I'm going to write somewhere around that, yeah, this 1.2 actually had a change in my normal voice, because when I hear it, I will know. Okay, but I'm just trying to show you how to change the speed of how you speak. So if you speak and you feel that it's too slow, like the way I'm feeling right now, then you will know that there's a way you can change the speed of how you are speaking or the speed of your video. Okay, so let me go back to normal because I feel this is affecting me. So I'm going to repeat what I just said now. Back to normal. Yeah. So I said, if you feel that you're counting your words like me, after speaking, your normal self, you can go to your editing app and change the speed of how you speak, the speed of your video. Most times 1.2 to 1.5 is fine. But once it's over or it's too slow, then it's not acceptable. Now let's even go lower. Let's go lower than 1.0, okay? And listen to the video, this video. We're going to listen to it as we go lower. I'm going to stop talking right now, okay?
So let me pause it there. So what I'm trying to say here is I think the way I'm talking is too slow. Okay? Sometimes when I listen to YouTubers, they are just they are talking very fast, and I'm like, normally before I started YouTube, I thought I could talk. I
So did you hear that? So this Capcut did not even only reduce the speed, it changed my voice to a male voice completely. I didn't go to adjust my voice because I put it on it. That was 0.6. It was 0.6. It just changed my voice completely. Okay. This is the normal right now. So I just want you to see the difference between how you want to sound before you upload your videos to YouTube. I hope this has been helpful, and kindly subscribe to the channel. Okay. Hit the notification bell. As I'm learning more, I will bring your way different things. Okay. So, but support me by subscribing, by sharing, by commenting. I know you understand what I'm trying to say. If you really enjoy anything I've done so far in any of my videos, kindly support. Thank you so much. Bye.